Hello everyone, welcome to my personal channel, and I am Dr. M.I.H. In this first video, I am going to tell you guys about who I am, what this channel is aiming for, and our exciting projects. So first things first, who am I? I am a high school student in China, and I am often referred by my classmates as Chem Maniac. That is, I perform well on chemistry classes and I do chemistry experiments at home, with obviously potentially dangerous ones. Also, I'm a decent cello player, so you might see some of my vids' background music be classical pieces. Just be aware of that. Finally, the most important feature is my weird brain, which periodically came up with ideas that on first sight seemed just ridiculous, but they actually worked. Nah, actually they don't work at all. So what does this channel do then? Obviously, we do physics and chemistry experiments, but with prerequisites, using materials that are domestically available and experiments that are easy to conduct in homes. In other words, this channel is perfect for amateur scientists, especially the ones who have been locked in houses by COVID. The other thing with the channel is that I hope it spreads chemistry and physics interests apart. Many of you probably studied the subjects but found it quite boring, as it consisted of brain-racking concepts and formulas to memorize. But hopefully, watching the videos of this channel might bring you joy and understanding of science at the same time. Finally, we get to the most exciting parts, our future plans. In fact, I've already had a few projects on stocks, including the synthesis of the 3 acids, the most frequently used reagents of all times, making cheap electrodes out of solder wire that then can be used to make explosives, homemade rocket fuel made and tested, burning stuff up with high current, so on and so forth. These are just a part of my imagination, and there are a lot more stored in my brain, many of them rarely tried by other YouTubers. Subscribe to my channel now if you want these fresh ideas that actually works. One last tip before I go. The channel should post a new video every week, but there are occasions where there's just too much homework and not enough time for experiments. Still, I will try my best to share the exciting projects with you guys. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye!